In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a domain for transfer from Hostinger to another provider. Moving a domain can seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll find it's quite manageable. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you need to log into your Hostinger account. This is the essential starting point since all the changes we're about to make will happen within your account settings. Once you've accessed your account, you're going to navigate your way to the domain section located in your control panel. This is where all your active domains are listed, and it's here where the magic happens. Take a moment to find the specific domain you're looking to transfer. It's crucial to ensure you're working with the correct domain, as each one has its own settings and unique information. When you've identified your domain, go ahead and select it. This action will take you to a more detailed overview of your domain, which is where you'll be making the necessary changes. Next, you'll scroll down until you see the Transfer Lock section. This is an important feature put in place to protect your domain from unauthorized transfers, so you're going to need to disable this lock to allow a transfer to your new provider. Look for a slider and click it to change it from purple, indicating it's on, to gray, marking it as off. This simple toggle action effectively unlocks your domain. However, keep in mind there are certain situations where you might find yourself unable to disable the transfer lock. Perhaps it's within 60 days of first registering the domain or after a previous transfer. This is a standard industry precaution, and if you find yourself in this situation, patience is key. You may need to wait until the 60-day period elapses or reach out to Hostinger support for further assistance. Now, with your domain unlocked, the next critical step involves retrieving your authorization code, also known as the EPP code. This code is a unique identifier for your domain and is required during the transfer process to your new provider. You'll find this important code right there in the domain overview section, in the same place where you manage the transfer lock. Make a note of this code or store it securely, as you will use it in the subsequent steps with your new domain provider. And there you have it. The essential steps to unlock your domain for transfer from Hostinger to another provider. By carefully following these instructions, you've laid a solid foundation to transfer your domain without any hassle. Remember, each provider may have its unique steps post-transfer or on initiating the domain move, so be sure to follow those next. With this initial part sorted, the transition should be well underway.